5 is there. So I hope that in coming time, whenever you get an opportunity, will give us a chance to serve you in terms of big tractor as well. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, sir.
हाँ अपना साइड से टोक लेके जाएगा ठीक है उसके बाद
We show you our manufacturing plant video first. Then after we will show you we will give you the presentation about our product, what are our products and what are our credentials, who is the managing director, how big is our team and our global presence. Then after we will go through the live our production plant. We will see the how module is getting produced. Means you will see all the things in live condition. So we will start from our video.
Jackson's solar manufacturing facility in Greater Noida is spread across 10 acres and is ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 certified. It is equipped with the latest fully automated solar PV production line with an annual capacity of 600 megawatt, manufacturing both monofacial and bifacial, including glass-to-glass modules. Jackson's helium range of modules have an output of over 600 watt peak with an efficiency of over 21%. Manufactured using latest bifacial M10 cells, these high-efficiency modules are suitable for rooftop, large industries, utility scale installations and comes with a standard linear performance warranty of 25 years. Jackson is the first Indian manufacturer to have BIS, IEC and ALMM certification for its Helia series, ensuring high quality and durability. Cell cutting with NTC technology. The solar plant is equipped with state-of-the-art, non-destructive laser cutting machines, which work on waterless technology, using European laser. The splitting and slotting is done through patented technology, ensuring highest precision and efficiency of cells. The assembly process starts with the automatic glass loading machine. This automated process ensures less downtime and high inline streaming, capable of handling multi-bus bar cells up to 15 PV and are capable of handling full, half or triple cut cells up to 210 mm. The machine also performs inline inspection for electroluminescence, misalignment and dry soldering, ensuring highest quality output. Jackson is among the first few module manufacturers in India to implement auto busing process. This binding machine is able to automatically adjust strings to meet dimensions with accuracy. Auto labeling machine ensures that modules which qualify all tests are provided with a back label as per their output bracket. Three-stage electroluminescence machine provides automation in testing process to detect micro cracks. Only modules with no defect move to the next phase. Three-stage double-stack laminators are deployed in line for lamination process consisting of heating, vacuum and cooling stages, ensuring high-quality lamination. A 90-degree flip machine rotates modules for proper visual inspection after the lamination process. Six-axis framing machines provide automation in framing and glue dispensing process, ensuring best quality fit, finish, robustness and durability. JB shouldering machine for junction box soldering and gives an automated clearance or rejection at the end of the process. The curing line is an enclosed, atmosphere-controlled section which maintains the desired humidity and temperature to ensure proper curing of sealants used in framing and installation of junction boxes. High botch testing ensures electrical durability and safety standards are maintained as per CE, IEC and BIS certifications. The third and final electroluminescence testing is done after lamination process to help evaluate the structural quality of the PV cells or any other defects generated during the manufacturing process. Sun simulator is used for creating light or flash as artificial sunlight to generate power from module to obtain RP curve and confirm power output of module under standard test conditions. The auto sorter provides automation in balloting quality approved modules as per their output and testing results to facilitate packaging, storage and dispatch. Our customers are at the center of all activities, and we always strive to provide the best-in-class sustainable products and solutions, while contributing towards a green and prosperous future. We, the Jackson Group, India's leading solar power company, are fully committed towards helping India achieve its net zero ambition.
I am ready to answer. If you have any questions related to solar modules and how it is getting produced, from where we are getting material, where we are exporting, any questions related to solar modules, I am happy to answer.
Where from where we are coming from Southern Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, South Africa, facing serious power challenges. So
I will tell about the Jackson Group. Our prime product is generators. These are diesel generators. So we are generator OEMs for Cummins in India. So in worldwide, the generators are made by Cummins and sold over various places. But in India, generators are made by OEMs. There are 3 OEMs. The whole India is divided into 3 parts, and there are 3 OEMs operating. They are taking the orders and they are serving the market. But these 3 OEMs, like one is Jackson, they are not allowed to sell diesel generators outside India. So we can only sell DG sets in India, nowhere else in the globe. So that is our prime product. But next product is our solar products. Yes, we are selling to various parts of the globe. We have sold to, say, Northern Africa. Chad is one area, and what are the others? Togo. So these were projects where we have supplied and we have gone and done the installation commissioning and come back. So we are not having any offices and we do not have any plans to set up any office in, say, Southern Africa or say in Zimbabwe or Nigeria or something. But yes, we are looking forward to set up a hydrogen plant somewhere in Northern Africa. These are under discussions, but not finalized. It will be a hydrogen, say, electrolyzer plant or something. Otherwise, our global presence, we are present in, say, Singapore, we are present in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal. Again, we are allowed to sell DG sets there. Again, that is a different model. We are, say, trading house for Cummins gen sets in those countries, but not in Africa. The third wing which Jackson has is EPC division. We are carrying out a lot of projects. This Togo was also one project. But we have taken many projects in, say, Africa also, some projects in Nigeria also. So EPC division goes there, does the project, set up an office, and then comes back once the site is closed. No permanent office right now in Africa. Am I right? Togo we have right
Yes.
now also.
So I want to start our PPT from who we are. Actually, the year of establishment of Jackson Group was in 1947, where our annual revenue is near about $70 million, and we have 2,500 employees across every location, where we have 4 manufacturing plants in India and 30 offices in India. 50,000 customers we have already served, and it's counting on. Parallelly, 20,000 annual DG manufacturing capacity we do have right now, where 70 plus channel partners are supporting us to grow more and more. We have 1.5 gigawatt of solar EPC projects in India and outside India, where in outside India we have served 50 megawatt in Togo, and more 20 megawatt we got the order from Togo itself. So we are going to execute that also. 1 gigawatt of solar module capacity we are about to be on this July and August, where right now we are in 600 megawatt, where we manufacture solar modules. 1.6 gigawatt of solar O&M portfolio we do have. So wherever means it is required for O&M portfolio also. So Jackson Group is extremely and exclusively working for them. We have our 200 megawatt own IPP plants right now in India.
So we are power producer, we are EPC company, we do take O&M projects to service the plant erected by somebody else, and we do the service of modules and inverters and the whole plant. And we are also manufacturer of solar modules. So in solar vertical we are doing all the work from start to end. And is user who has to produce the power and supply to the grid. That also we are doing, and starting is production of solar modules. That also we are doing. There is much more to do. That is cell manufacturing, then wafer conversion. That is in plan. Say down the year 2 years, so 2025 is the plan that we will set up our own manufacturing plant for cells.
Okay. So we want to introduce you our CMD, our VCMD and founder. Founder was Mr. Satish Kumar Gupta, who have 2 sons, Sameer Gupta and Sanjay Gupta. So we are very much clear with our core values, and 2,500 of employees are strictly adhering these core values. That is one of the integrity. Where in integrity we follow the policies of the company, either we have any business. In customer centricity, so we just understand the customer requirement. So we are as an engineering company, so we match their, customize their requirement also. So innovation is something like that. So as sir I explained that we are end-to-end proficient in giving the solution in the solar segment. Teamwork, so we are very much teamly organized company. IEC 61730 for PV module and safety qualifications. IEC 62804 for PID resistant. We do have right now. 853 for pan file and energy rating. 2FPFG for LETID test. In fact, LETID means every state in our module has qualified the states, and we are certified for this module.
So all the certification for solar modules we do have, all the stringent say standards, international standards, we have tested our module. Certification is required. For selling in India, BIS certification is required. We do have certification for all. There are some additional certification. If we go to Australia, they will ask for CEA certification. That also we have. Yes.
So these are some projects we have supplied to 7 airports in India. So airport has their own stringent quality norms, which our module has passed that. We have supplied Cummins, which is a US based company. They have their own criteria to cross, so they are very difficult both. 1.5 megawatt in Maharashtra, that is Maruti Suzuki, where in several sites like as IOCL we are qualified for that also. And in Nigeria we have even 990 kilowatt at a single location. So in 2020, our CMD Mr. Sandeep Gupta was the top 100 solar leader in India. So these are our schemes, clients.
One, for you to consider someone as an agent to distribute your products.
So we are very much open to the distributor. We are in fact looking in Africa potential distributors in every region in different countries. So there is not the limit. Actually, it's more than 2 containers, but even in one we can take for the 1 container that is equivalent to near about 445-450 kilowatt.
So 1 container load is sufficient to start with the business, because there is a pre-qualified criteria. You have to be having a knowledge about solar. You should have, say, some presence in that particular market where you are energy producer, or you are, say, having customers who are producing electricity, or doing work for government, having close alliance with government, and taking having all tender details, everything, and doing work for government. I do not know the structure in the country you are from, say Zimbabwe, how it is structured, that somebody wants to set up a solar plant, whether it is residential or it is industrial or it is a utility scale, how it is served, whether government plays a role in approving it, whether government is providing any subsidy. I am not aware, but yes, obviously the partner has, say, we appoint a partner, he should have full knowledge about your country and should have done some work in the field of solar. It should not be wise that he doesn't know anything about solar. And 1 container load is sufficient to start the business. And then it is up to you how you will grow it.
Interest first and then capacity to be the distributor or whatever. But is it possible to engage an expert, but the business being for him? Because sometimes other people might have a knowledge more about solar but have no interest to be taking that business. I just want to know whether it is possible to engage an expert and then you can do the business.
You want us to give
To train them about
the solar, and then he go back and see what he can do in solar.
You said somebody should have the knowledge.
Should have knowledge, yes.
Yeah, we are very
Someone
good.
might think of a business,
Yeah.
but you have no even because he's a business person. Yet interested on such particular field. And
But there has to be some strength. Yes, he is looking for doing a business, he is having money, but he does not have, say, relevant experience in solar. Okay, no problems. But at least he should have some other qualified criteria, like I have told you, that not in solar, but say other electrical projects, or something related to that. It should not be a surprise for him that from where he will get orders. If we take the stock, then he should be able to sell the stock. The solar modules if he buying from us, and we train him what is solar module, how it is installed, how it will produce electricity, what could be the problem in selling, what could be the problem in generating electricity. That all things we will say train him, but then he should go back to his country and should be able to sell. He should be having knowledge of the say market. That is very essential, because that we will not be able to guide you.
Yeah, maybe just for your information about what you asked, maybe you might be contacted by some business people from Zimbabwe. Our system is like for household and individual businesses. You can put up a solar system up to a certain size without the need for any license from the regulator. forgetting the size. 1 megawatt or what, which you can do without any license from the regulator.
Okay.
Then from a certain size, you then need to obtain a license, even if it's for a business use, but still, if it's, I think it's 2 megawatts being upwards, you need a license from the energy regulator for you to be also, to set up such a plant. But the country is inviting a lot of independent power producers
Okay.
to set up solar power plants. And it's an area where we feel that we may link up with some independent power producers who already have been given licenses by the government, and maybe they might want to partner with you and they bring in some capital and then agree to see how it can be worked out. Because it's an area that we are pushing so much as government to try to go green as a country in terms of setting up our solar power plants. I see that you are also setting also an independent power producer in a number of areas. So I think it's an area where we feel that as Zimbabwe we also want to partner with you strongly in that area.
What is the cost of electricity right now?
I would say around, it ranges between 9 and 12 cents per kilowatt hour. 12 cents, US cents.
US cents.
Yeah.
Independent power producer. At what rate they will be buying say electricity from them? Tariff.
I think it will be negotiated between the regulator and the IPP to say, in fact, before you set up your project, you actually sign to agree to say we will be selling our power at this much.
Right.
Yes, before you even put in your money. And there are even arrangements whereby certain special exporting companies and mining companies can actually enter into arrangements with the power producers so that they are paid directly at an agreed tariff that is approved by the regulator, but it's agreed between the company and the power producer as a way of trying to encourage investing in the area.
Yeah, I think just to support what the engineer is saying is green energy to Zimbabwe, I think is the way. This is where I think we're shifting. You know, we have got quite a lot of coal deposits, and we have been either doing hydro or the thermal. But I think more and more the thermal, you know, the issues we are kind of facing out that. So I think there's been quite a lot of encouragement in terms of investment in solar energy, and there's been quite a lot of demand. So I think this is an area that we would really want to urge you. And as I was listening, I think you were also saying you're moving now to the cells, the batteries. And Zimbabwe, I don't have that much knowledge, but we've got quite a lot of lithium deposits in the country. And I think as Jackson, this is an area that you want really to get interested in. And in terms of lithium, what the government position is now to say, I think it has been exported as raw, but the government has now come up with a policy to say it needs to be value added, and already we have got a company that is coming, I can't remember from which country.
Can be done only the concentrate form now.
Yes.
Lithium can be used only after mining
Exactly.
concentrate.
Exactly. So already we've got companies that are coming in for them to be able to do business in Zimbabwe in terms of both the solar energy itself as well as the cells. So we can then be able to link you with the appropriate line ministry that is responsible for this, as well as the regulator, the Zimbabwe Electricity Authority ZERA, so that you can then be able to get the final details. But I would urge you come, you explore. It is really a very, very, very kind of pregnant market for you to be able to do business.
Are there any players from India who are already doing work in Zimbabwe?
No, I think we have been seeing a lot, some products, solar modules and batteries coming from India, but there are no companies really present in Zimbabwe from India who are into solar products. But some products they are coming from India, getting into the market. Some solar modules,
Inverters, yeah.
gel batteries. I have not seen the silicon batteries, but the gel batteries I've seen quite a lot. But the silicon batteries I've not seen from India, yes.
So name of the company?
There are many people, many companies into construction also now.
Oh.
They're doing apartments and they want to provide electricity by solar. There also we met, when I was doing my last visit to Zimbabwe, I saw many into construction. They want to have a solar, independent solar power plant for those houses in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
That's the one area. Maybe the government also, for the rooftops, the government will also come into an arrangement that you put the rooftops and you are paid by the government channel. But that is if you take up those contracts, where you can put up the solar power producing plant on their rooftops and then you get paid by time. Not upfront. I'm not talking upfront. I'm saying you install them on the government offices and then you get paid.
In fact, you are very correct. Currently, the public service has said majority of the senior government officials should be off the grid.
Yes.
And solar energy, like he is explaining, would then need to be set up for all the senior government officials so that they are off the grid. And this is the Public Service Commission is championing this. This is, I think, another area that we could also be able to share with them, to say, you know, there is some interest from Jackson so that they can then be able to get in touch with you. We're looking at you know, these are thousands in terms of top government officials across the board in the whole of the public service. Right from, you know, the line ministries, right from the uniformed forces and, you know, the rest.
Thanks for the different proposals where Zimbabwe and Jackson can join their hands. So we do have our different division who is the whole soul in IPP. We can discuss with them. We can connect with them. I need some cards so that we can connect with them with the number. So I think in 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just about to ask you.
Yeah.
If you guys are prepared to get into a relationship as far as IPPs are concerned, because right now there are so many tenders which we can win or we have won in Zimbabwe, but the supply of the equipment, the solar panels and the like, could be the problem.
Come to South Africa in different states, different countries. So in Zimbabwe, definitely after this visit, I think we can plan for Zimbabwe also, and we can explore the opportunity with the government. Where I think so we are being a Jackson, we are very much interested for Zimbabwe. That's the great part, and got some confidence also, so that we can go ahead for the Zimbabwe. So I think we can go. After having snacks, we will go to this our plant. We can go.
Snacks are already
Done. So I think